Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza step by step. First, let's start with the foundation, the dough. Begin by combining your dry ingredients like flour, yeast, and salt. Gradually incorporate warm water and a tablespoon of olive oil. Knead this mixture for about 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Then, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for at least 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. This crucial step develops flavor and texture. While your dough is rising, let's prepare the delicious toppings and sauce. For the sauce, use high-quality crushed tomatoes, seasoned with garlic, basil, and oregano. Next, grate about 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella cheese. This melts much better than pre-shredded varieties. Slice any additional toppings you desire, like bell peppers, onions, or cooked sausage. Finally, preheat your oven to a very hot 475 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a perfectly crispy crust. Now for the exciting part, assembling your pizza. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and stretch or roll it out to your preferred thickness and shape, typically a 12-inch circle. Spread about 1/2 cup of your prepared tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a 1-inch border for the crust. Next, sprinkle the grated mozzarella cheese, followed by your chosen toppings. Carefully transfer your masterpiece onto a preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. It's time to bake your pizza to perfection. Place your assembled pizza into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 8 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly caramelized. Keep a close eye on it, as oven temperatures can vary. Once baked, carefully remove the pizza and let it rest for about 2 to 3 minutes before slicing. This brief rest helps the cheese set, preventing toppings from sliding off. Enjoy your incredible homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.